Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into everything we know about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a phone that's already making waves in the tech world. This device packs some of the most exciting tech advancements yet, including the ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. But with all that power, is Samsung risking an overheating problem? Well, maybe not. Samsung has equipped the Galaxy S25 Ultra with a next-gen cooling system that promises to handle the heat while delivering top-notch performance. So, will this be the game changer Samsung fans have been waiting for? Let's talk cooling. Samsung has consistently improved its thermal management over the years, and for the S25 Ultra, they've gone all out. This phone comes with a large vapor cooling chamber built to pull heat away from the chipset and spread it across a wider surface area. It's similar to what we saw with the Galaxy S23 series, but even more advanced, designed to keep things cool, even when you're pushing the phone to its limits with gaming or multitasking. And with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is optimized purely for performance, we're talking serious speed without worrying about it turning into a pocket heater. Now let's jump into the design and display the features we can see and feel every day. The Galaxy S25 Ultra keeps the signature sleek look with Samsung's iconic curved edges and an incredibly sharp 6.8-inch AMOLED display. Samsung's famous anti-reflective coating makes a return, ensuring you get vivid visuals even under direct sunlight. Plus, with its 120Hz refresh rate, everything from scrolling to gaming feels buttery smooth. Whether you're a gamer or just love watching videos on your phone, the S25 Ultra's display doesn't disappoint. And what about the camera setup? Samsung has packed the S25 Ultra with impressive camera sensors, including a 200MP main sensor that promises crisp detail, even in low light conditions. If you're all about capturing those night shots or snapping photos on the go, this camera system is designed to handle it all. They've even added a new anti-reflective layer, which reduces glare and ensures colors stay true to life. For video enthusiasts, Samsung is making improvements here too, with 4K recording at 120 for incredibly smooth slow-motion shots. Basically, if you love photography, the S25 Ultra is loaded with features to make your pictures pop. Powering all these features is a solid 5,000 mAh battery that promises all-day performance. But here's the twist. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite's more efficient CPU and GPU, Samsung claims you'll get more mileage on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Plus, the S25 Ultra supports 45W fast charging, so you're never tethered to the wall for long. It's also got reverse wireless charging, perfect if you need to power up your earbuds or other devices on the go. So, is the Galaxy S25 Ultra really worth the upgrade? Between the Snapdragon 8 Elite's powerhouse performance, the advanced cooling system, and the camera enhancements, this phone seems to tick all the right boxes. Samsung is aiming high with this release, pushing boundaries with every feature. If you're someone who craves cutting-edge tech, the S25 Ultra could be the one to watch. What are your thoughts? Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's potential, or do you think Samsung still has more to prove? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this sneak peek, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.